Hey, so if your prompts are not working in Leonardo AI, yeah, like you type something and it ignores it, gives errors, or generates completely wrong images, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, prompt processing needs a continuous connection. Next, yeah, try a simpler prompt. I mean, too long or complex prompts can confuse the AI. Now, some words can trigger filters and stop generation. I mean, remove anything restricted or unsafe. Yeah, make sure you're using the correct AI model. I mean, some models handle prompts better than others. Now, cached data can break prompt submission. Clearing your browser cache can fix it quickly. Yeah, extensions or ad blockers can block prompt requests. Try disabling them temporarily. Now, sometimes session issues prevent prompts from working. Logging out and back in refreshes everything. Yeah, sometimes the problem is on Leonardo AI's side. I mean, the servers may be overloaded or down. If nothing works, switch browsers or devices. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is local or not. So, yeah, that's how you fix Leonardo AI prompt not working. Most of the time, it's prompt structure, cache issues, or server problems. Try these steps and your prompts should work again. Thanks for watching.